Hi, Darius from DeFu back again with another Cybersecurity Awareness Month related video. Today we're talking about often overlooked aspect of cybersecurity, physical security measures. While we tend to focus on digital threats, securing the physical environment is just as important as protecting your business from data breaches and cyber incidents. Start with access control for your office or data center. Use electronic keycards, biometrics, or other forms of access control to restrict entry to sensitive areas. Make sure that only authorized personnel can access locations where critical data or equipment is stored. Implement policies for visitors and contractors, including requiring them to sign in and be escorted at all times. Lock up your hardware, especially devices that contain sensitive information like servers, laptops, and external hard drives. Use cable locks to secure laptops in open workspaces and consider storing portable devices in locked cabinets when not in use. Encrypting devices adds an extra layer of security in case they are lost or stolen. It's also important to install surveillance cameras and alarm systems. Cameras should cover all entry points, high traffic areas, and places where sensitive information is stored. Having visible surveillance can act as a deterrent for potential intruders. Make sure your surveillance footage is stored securely and reviewed regularly. Don't forget about protecting physical documents. Use locked filing cabinets for storing sensitive paperwork and implement a document disposal policy that includes shredding any documents containing confidential information. Never leave sensitive documents unattended on desks or in public areas. For work from home employees, provide guidelines for securing their home workspace. This can include locking doors, securing devices, and ensuring family members do not have access to company equipment or documents. While digital security often gets the spotlight, physical security is a crucial part of comprehensive cybersecurity strategy. Tomorrow, we'll explore the topic of cyber liability insurance and how it can protect your business financially. Stay secure.